Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about tints and shades and also the mood in art, the atmosphere or feeling expressed. Let's look at this artist known as Pablo Picasso, a Spanish artist from the 1800s. He went through what's called a blue period, and you can see in this artwork the mood and the atmosphere expressed. He also went through what's called a rose period in his art, and you can see what kind of mood and atmosphere is set just by the color used. Let's take a look at some of these silhouettes and consider what the mood of the picture is, what's going on in the image and the atmosphere. How does the color affect what the picture tells us? You can see the background here and what the story is depicting with this color. So today we're going to use color strategically, and we're going to learn about tints and shades. A tint is when you add white, and a shade is when you add black. Now there's some examples here on the back of some winter scenes. Now this is going to be my silhouette image. The mood I'm trying to set is kind of a quiet, cold winter night. Now last time we created the square here, and you don't have to limit your painting to that. I just wanted you to know that important details need to be in the middle. You can do a practice paper first, a practice painting, and then you're going to start in the middle and kind of practice how you're going to use those tints and shades. I've already practiced, so I'm just going to go ahead and start on my final draft. So I'm going to start with the light source, the lightest color, and then I'm going to tint this blue and make it lighter. Tinting is when you add white to a color. And I'm just going to take my time adding this light blue around my light source. And I'm going to continue just trying to give that feel of illumination from the moon. As my color gets further away from the light source, it's going to get a little bit darker, and I'm just going to continue adding blue to the paint. You can consider what type of mood and atmosphere you want to set in your painting. It doesn't have to be like this one. But now I'm going to add a shade. A shade is when you add black to a color and it gets darker. So the further I am from the light source, the darker the color is going to get. And mine is going to be a scene at night. So I have a night scene. Now when you get to the edges of your painting, you can use a scrap paper to put under it. But ultimately, consider what mood you want to express. What's the atmosphere of your painting? And let's go ahead and use tints and shades. Enjoy. Next time, we're going to add some more details.